In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this Bakuchiol face gel. This gel is really good for anti-aging skin. If you guys are interested in seeing how I make this, then keep on watching. So to make our Bakuchiol face gel, we're going to start by adding glycerin to our beaker. We need glycerin at 1.2 grams. We're using it at 8% in this recipe. And glycerin has amazing properties that draws moisture to the skin. This is why we love using it in all our formulation. And now we're going to move on to our Bakuchiol extract. And Bakuchiol extract is amazing for your skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin texture, brightens the skin, help with acne prone skin, rich in antioxidants, and it soothes inflammation and is a gentle alternative to retinol. We're using this at 0.075 grams. Then we're going to move on to our Bakuchiol oil. This is very different from the extract. When Bakuchiol is blended into a carrier oil, you get the benefits of both the Bakuchiol and the nourishing oil, and it helps to lock in moisture into the skin, soften and soothes dry skin as well. It strengthens the skin barrier, leaves the skin feeling silky without being overly greasy. And once we've done all of this, we're going to mix all our ingredients together thoroughly. We're going to add our preservative. We're adding a preservative at 0.15 grams, and once that is done, we're going to add our distilled water at 13.2 grams. We're using it at 88%, and then mix in the water thoroughly. And once this is done, if there are clumps, don't worry too much about it. The Sepimax Zen is going to fix that. Our gelling agent is going to fix that. And now we're ready to add our gelling agent. So we're using Sepimax Zen, and Sepimax Zen isn't a skincare active like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Instead, it's the ingredients that give products that beautiful bouncy gel texture, keeps the formula stable, and leaves your skin feeling silky and smooth. We need it at 0.3 grams, and we're using it at 2%. Once you've added your Sepimax Zen, all you need to do is cover this up and place it or set it aside in a place that it won't be disturbed for about 5 to 8 hours. So we've allowed for ingredients to be able to sit for about 6 hours. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to mix. So we're going to mix in the Sepimax Zen, and our recipe is ready. This is our Bakuchiol face gel. So now let's place this into our desired container. And as you guys can see, even though I added Bakuchiol oil and Bakuchiol extract, the Sepimax Zen allows for it to emulsify without it separating. And that's one lovely thing about Sepimax Zen. It can allow for you to be able to use oil in a water phase without having to use an emulsifier. So here we are. So I'm going to place this into my sterilized jar. And there you have it. This is our Bakuchiol face gel, and you can use this on your face day and night. You just take a little bit and apply it to damp skin. It'll be better applied to damp skin. And there you go, you have the benefit of all that retinol alternative with this gel. Preservative Eco is one of the first preservative that I started using. It's a broad spectrum preservative approved for many natural formulations. So a preservative isn't optional in water-based skincare, it's essential. So Preservative Eco helps protect your products from bacteria, mold and yeast, keeping them safe for you to use. Another preservative that I bought recently is the Nat P 9010X. It's a broad spectrum preservative system for cosmetic formulation. Nat P helps keep your DIY skincare safe by preventing the growth of harmful microbes. Every water-based product should contain an effective preservative. I use this in lotions, creams, serum, toner, shampoo, and body care. Products that has water in them or products that will come in contact with water.